how to create a custom paper sizes in Epson printer. So if you want to create custom paper sizes in Epson printer, then what you need to do is, let's get started. First, you need to open up your settings. Once there, you need to navigate to the left side of your menu, and then you need to head over towards Bluetooth and devices. Here you will have an option of printers and scanners. Click on that. Under the top section, you will find all of your printers right here. So you need to just simply go and select your Epson printer. In my case, it's not available, but if you have your printer, just simply click on the Epson printer if it's available. Now you need to just simply go with the options saying printing preferences. Click on that and you will get this kind of advanced section. Now you need to just simply click on the paper size. Here you need to go with the drop down. Now if you have selected your Epson printer, at the very end you will find the option called user defined. You have to select the user defined option. After that, you will have an option to set the height and width of your paper. Or you can also just simply go with the bottom, which has custom paper size right here, and then you can just simply go and enter the height and width that you want, and then just simply go with OK, and that's it. That's how you can create a custom paper size in your printer. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.